The Bay of Pigs invasion, launched on April 17, 1961, was a failed US-backed attempt to overthrow Fidel Castro's government in Cuba. Organized by the CIA, the operation involved training and equipping a force of Cuban exiles, known as Brigade 2506, to lead the invasion and spark a popular uprising against Castro's communist regime. The invasion's roots lay in US concerns about Castro's close ties to the Soviet Union during the Cold War. When Castro seized power in 1959, the US government, particularly under President Dwight D. Eisenhower, viewed him as a threat due to his nationalization of American-owned assets in Cuba and his increasingly communist policies. Planning for the invasion began under Eisenhower and was carried out under President John F. Kennedy, who had only recently taken office. On the night of April 17th, Brigade 2506 landed at the Bay of Pigs, a remote area on Cuba's southern coast. However, the operation quickly went wrong. The Cuban military, well prepared and led by Castro himself, rapidly countered the invasion. Air support for the exiles was limited, and popular uprisings against Castro failed to materialize. After 3 days of fighting, the invasion force was overwhelmed, with many exiles captured or killed. The failed invasion was a major embarrassment for the Kennedy administration, leading to strained US-Cuba relations and pushing Cuba closer to the Soviet Union, contributing to the Cuban Missile Crisis the following year.